Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set Eye Live Wallpaper for your lock screen on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to download the Eye Live Wallpaper. You can go to your TikTok and then you can search for the Eye Live Wallpaper. And after you have downloaded the wallpaper, you can go to your setting. I have downloaded Eye Live Wallpaper from TikTok guys. So I'm gonna go to my setting and then select the wallpaper and style, and I'm going to select change wallpaper, and I'm going to choose the Eye Live Wallpaper I have just downloaded, this one. Okay, and I'm going to click on done, and this is the preview of my lock screen, and I'm going to click on done. Okay, and now the Eye Live Wallpaper has been applied to my lock screen, and I'm going to lock my screen to show you. Okay, and this is my lock screen right now. Alright guys, and that's all the way to set Eye Live Wallpaper for your lock screen on Android mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.